Hey guys, got a Saturn Ion. It's a 2007, 4 cylinders, and I was actually cleaning the car from the inside, detailing it with some steam and vacuum and all that stuff, and all of a sudden, after I'm done, I started the vehicle and I wanted to move the vehicle so it dries up a little bit, and the airbag light came on. So I'm suspecting some kind of wires while I was moving the seats back and forth. So I hooked up my scanner, and the code that I'm getting is B0092, passenger presence system 1 performance. I tried to clear it, as you can see. I tried to clear it. Let's see here. Clear the code, and it goes away for a second and then it comes back. Yeah, so now it's not going away at all. Okay, so since it's got the word passenger, I'm gonna actually concentrate on the right side of the vehicle, on the passenger side. So the only thing that I did while I was detailing the vehicle was I was moving the seat back and forth. Yeah, I did use some steam, but I don't think I touched any electronics while I was doing that. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna look under the vehicle. So let me get my headlight under the seat. I'm gonna get my headlight here, and I'm gonna start looking underneath the seat, see if there's any loose wires or something. So it looks like a bunch of stuff on the back of the seat, so I'm gonna move this back forward a little bit. Alright guys, so I removed the 2 bolts in the back of the front seat here to remove the seat. So what you need to do, just move this seat up front all the way. Okay, tilt this back and get a size 15 socket, and then like I said, I removed these 2 bolts. One goes here and one goes there, and to be able to remove the whole seat, is what you need to do is just lift it up and then pull back, and then there is no bolts on the front. There's just these brackets that goes in the frame here. Okay, two of them. So what I did, I checked these cables, and there's actually nothing wrong with these cables. Okay, these cables are intact, and I'm gonna show you what I actually found out. I just put this back here. I'm gonna actually use my other hand just to put the seat back in place. I need to pull it back and put these brackets in the front first. There you go. So yeah, so I checked the wires, and there's nothing wrong with them. I actually fixed it, but I just wanted to show you what I did. Okay, so if you get that code, guys, after like a detail or some kind of wet or rain or whatever that touched the seat, what you need to do after you check the wires, and if it's not a wire problem, and you make sure your wires are good, is to remove this cushion. Remove this cushion, lift it up, remove the harnesses, the plastic pieces that are holding this cushion, and let it dry out. Yes, that piece for the sensor that triggers that somebody is sitting on the seat gets wet after a detail or after a wet incident on the seat, whatever the case may be. You lift your window up, you left your window down, and then it starts raining and the seat got wet, you will get that airbag code that I showed you earlier. And the fix is to dry it out or let the seat get dry, and the airbag will go away. I actually had to take this cushion out, and sorry I did not record that because honestly I did not think that was gonna fix the problem, but I had to take it out, and I looked at it and I saw it was a little wet. I dried it, put the cushion back before I put the bolts on the seats back, and it fixed it. So long story short, in my case, in my scenario, it was not the wires, it was a wet seat. You need to let it dry. Thanks for watching, guys. See you with another video.